All right, welcome. You know that feeling, right? You send a super important text to a customer and it just vanishes. Poof, gone. It's so frustrating. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the system that's supposed to fix all that 10DLC. And we're going to start with the big problem it was created to solve. So, why are your texts getting blocked? I mean, this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? You write the perfect message, you hit send, and crickets. The customer gets nothing. Now, this isn't just some random technical glitch. Nope. It's usually the carriers trying to shield people from a tidal wave of spam. But how did things get so messy in the first place? And this right here, this really paints the picture of that disconnect. On one side, you've got the business just trying to be helpful. Hey, your appointment's confirmed, or your package is on its way. But then look at the customer's reality. That message never even arrives. It gets tagged as spam or just filtered out by the carrier. It was a lose-lose situation, and frankly, super frustrating for everyone. So that brings us right into our first section here, the whole business texting problem. I'm calling it the chaos before the code, because honestly, before 10DLC, it was the Wild West out there. Yeah, the old way of doing things was, well, it was a total mess. You had legit businesses whose messages were just not getting through, totally unpredictable. At the same time, spammers and scammers could just blast out tons of junk. The carriers, they couldn't tell the good guys from the bad guys, so what did they do? They just started blocking everything aggressively. And that meant your super important appointment reminder, it could get caught in the exact same net as a phishing scam. It just wasn't working for anyone. Okay, so to fix this huge mess, the entire telecom industry had to come together and create a real organized solution. And that solution is 10DLC. Let's dive in and figure out what exactly it is. First things first, let's be clear about the kind of texting we're talking about here. This isn't about you texting your friend from your phone. This is what's called application-to-person messaging, or A2P for short. Basically, anytime a business uses software to send a text, things like appointment reminders, shipping notifications, special offers, that's A2P. It's pretty much the backbone of how businesses talk to us these days. And that brings us right to 10DLC. It stands for 10-digit long code. All it is really is a system that lets businesses use normal 10-digit phone numbers, the kind you and I have, to send out those A to P messages. But, and this is the really important part, they have to do it in a way that's verified. It's all about building a foundation of trust with the carrier. The easiest way to think about it is like this. 10DLC is basically the verified checkmark for your business's phone number. You see them on social media, right? It's the same idea. It's a signal to the phone carriers that says, hey, we're a real business, we've told you who we are and what kind of texts we're sending, you can trust us. And that one simple idea, establishing trust, is what makes the whole system work. Okay, so how do you get one of these verified checkmarks for your business? I know the registration process can look a little intimidating at first glance, but it really just boils down to a few straightforward steps. Let's walk through it. It really comes down to these three main things. First, you've got to register your brand. This is where you prove who you are to a group called the Campaign Registry. Think of them as the official record keepers. Second, you register your campaigns. This is where you tell them exactly what you're going to be sending. Are they appointment reminders, marketing offers? You have to be specific. And then finally, based on all that info, the carriers give you a trust score. And listen, that trust score is everything. It's super important. If you get a low score, your messages might get delivered slowly or filtered out a lot. But a high score, that's your ticket to the express lane. It tells the carriers they can trust you, so you get faster delivery speeds and your messages are way less likely to get blocked. It's really the key that unlocks everything. All right, I get it. Going through this whole registration thing sounds like a bit of a hassle. So let's talk about the payoff. Why is it so worth it to do this? Okay, let's start with a huge number. We're talking a potential 70% drop in your messages getting rejected. Just let that sink in for a second. That means 7 out of every 10 texts that used to just vanish into thin air, they're now getting to your customer. That's a massive difference. It's the power of going from being a total unknown to a verified, trusted sender. And what about the flip side? The messages that do get approved? Well, if your campaigns are set up right and you're following the rules, you could be looking at a 90% or even higher approval rate. You're basically swapping out the old system of "I hope this gets there" for "I'm confident this will get there." But it's not just about getting messages delivered. There's more to it. You also get your messages sent faster. That's called higher throughput. Plus, think about it. Getting a text from a regular 10-digit number just feels more personal, right? It doesn't feel like some big corporate blast, and that actually helps with customer engagement. It also makes it super easy for people to text you back and have a real conversation, something that was always clunky with those old 5-digit short codes. Okay, last big section here. Getting registered is awesome, but it's really just step one. To keep that high trust score and make sure your messages keep getting delivered, you have to play by the rules. So let's talk about the rules of the road. It really all boils down to these 3 pillars of compliance. Number 1, you have to get someone's clear permission before you text them, no exceptions. Number 2, what you send has to match what you said you were going to send. You can't register a campaign for account alerts and then start blasting out sales promos. And number 3, you have to give people an easy way to say no more, like just replying stop. And that last one, the opt-out, that is absolutely non-negotiable. Seriously, this isn't just a friendly suggestion from the phone companies, it's the law. We're talking federal laws like the TCPA, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act. If you don't let people opt out easily, you could face some really hefty fines. And of course, completely destroy any trust your customers had in you. So when you boil it all down, what's the big takeaway here? Well, 10DLC is what transforms business texting from a total gamble, a shot in the dark, into a communication channel you can actually rely on, one that's built on trust. It's a system that helps out the good guys, the legitimate businesses, while also protecting us, the consumers. It just makes the whole ecosystem healthier for everybody. And that really leaves us with one final thought, something for you to think about with your own business. Every single text you send is an opportunity. So the question is, are you using it to build trust with your customers? Or, without even realizing it, are you breaking it? Something to think about. Thanks so much for tuning in.